Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle and Hustle Diaries. This vlog would be a preparation day or preparation vlog for my CBSE 8th grader final exam edition. So, let's get started. So, I woke up early because it was my MSc, which is Moral Science and Physical Education exam. So, after that, I gave my physical and MSc exam, which went super. And here I was studying for my Hindi exam. I was preparing my Hindi exam as it was going to held on 21st. So here I was making notes of it. So you would be thinking what to make notes in Hindi, but I decided to make all Hindi grammar on one page, like Sarvanam and its Bhed, Visheshan and its Bhed, all on one page, so that at last I would able to revise it. I can just take that book and revise it. So I was preparing that on this. So I was like reading to or and writing to, understanding all things I was doing and to prepare it. So I studied till 1 or 1.5 hours, as I was tired because I had my moral science and physical exam today, and I also had holiday preparatory leave on the next day. Like on 19 I had my exam, which was today, and I was studying after giving it, and I had a preparatory leave on 20th, and I had my Hindi exam on 21st. So I had one preparatory leave in between to prepare for it. My plan for today was to cover the grammar portion and complete half of the syllabus or learning work. I wanted to complete all the learning work today. So as I told, I was doing grammar portion only. After that, I took a little bit of break, as I told, I was tired. So I took a break of 1.5 hours, and I also slept in between. So here also I was trying to complete my Hindi grammar and writing all and making the notes or one page. So here I was doing that, and you would know about my date sheet. So my exam began from 15th, and it is 15th of February, and it will be end on 7th of March, and I would attach the photo of my date sheet in the somewhere in the video, so that you can see it. Now coming back to the video, I literally had 1 or 2 hours study session only, and after that I took a long break, and it was already 6 p.m. of evening, and you can see what is the time. Here it is. So I sat down to know the meaning of my poem. So here I was attending a lecture of my poem. So you would be asking that how I am preparing for Hindi reader, or where I am watching the lecture. So I watch lectures from Magnet Brains, and I like it very much. I'm able to understand it also very well. After attending the lecture, I decided to write all the lekhaks, kavi and chapter names, etc., all the things. So here I was writing that only, and which also helped me in my exam, which was also useful. So it is a tip for you all to write all the poets, writers or chapters name in one page of all the chapters which are coming in your syllabus, which will be very helpful for you too. So yeah, I was doing this, and in between I was checking my syllabus, like what is left, how much I have to complete now, and I was also making plans for tomorrow, like what I have to do tomorrow. So I was doing this with side by side planning in my mind too. After this I decided to do grammar again, so I revised or learned the muhavre which I first time opened. So here I was learning the muhavre. So this was the only thing I did on this day. After that I enjoyed a lot or played or rested for some time, and dependent on the next day. I was dependent on the next day. So the next day I woke up little early and I was studying, and which I did not able to record. So here I was having my breakfast, in which I had milk and cornflakes. After that I sat down to study, and here I was revising all the chapters, Hindi readers chapter question answer by writing it. And somewhere I forgot the chapters, little bit chapter, and knew half of the chapter, and I forgot half of the chapter. Hope you able to understand my words. So here I was writing all the question answers and revising it like I was reading one answers or question, and after that I was writing it on my slate board. I did it for somewhat 1 or 2 hours. So guys, this was for this video only. You would be thinking that only things I would did. So I did a lot of things, like I was panicking too, and I was also like very demotivated, and but I completed all my syllabus. I was very excited with nervous for my first main final exam. So this was for today's vlog. I studied a lot after this also, but I forgot to record it. And about my exam also went too good. I knew all the questions except one, which was about of half and a 1.5 marks. Not 1.5 marks, half marks. It was about 1.5 marks only. And I wrote all the things, I knew all the things, but let's see what about the result comes, which I will let you know about it must. If you liked my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, meet you all in the next video. Bye.